taking the bus. Ted and Chris are trying to figure out how to get to the airport from downtown. How are we going to get to the airport tomorrow?
Isn't there a bus that goes there?
Probably. Do you know which one?
I think number 7 is the airport bus, but let's check online and see.
Sure. I have my computer right here. Perfect. Okay, it is the number 7. It leaves every 20 minutes, and the stop is just a few minutes away from here. Let's try to get the 120. That leaves us plenty of time.
Sounds like a plan.
Getting information from the bus driver. Johnny wants to find out some information from the bus driver. Does this bus go downtown?
No, you'll need to take the number 6 instead.
Oh, okay. Can I catch it at this bus stop?
You'll want to cross the street and take the bus in the other direction.
Okay, great. Thank you. Oh, do you know how often it runs?
I don't know exactly, but there are a lot of them. During rush hour, maybe every 10 minutes.
Number 3, running late. Zeke wants to let Sid know that he is running late. Zeke, hi, so sorry, but I'm going to be late for dinner. Oh, okay. What time do you think you'll get here? By 7 at the latest, I think. There was an accident ahead of me on the highway. Oh no, is it cleared? It will be soon, I think. It looks like the police are finishing up now and traffic is moving slowly. Sure, see you when you get here. No rush. I'll just have a glass of wine and wait. Thanks for understanding. I appreciate it.
Number 4. Bob is very late. Tammy is annoyed at Bob for being late again.
Bob, where are you? I'm already here. We were supposed to meet at 7.
I'm so sorry. I lost track of time.
Have you even left your house yet?
No, but I can leave in a minute. I'm ready to go now.
Don't bother, Bob. By the time you get here, you'll be over an hour late.
Why don't we reschedule?
No, thank you. This is the 3rd time this has happened.
Number 5, the ice cream shop. Mandy and Todd are deciding what kind of ice cream to get. There are so many choices here.
I know. That's why I like to come here. What are you thinking about?
I know it's boring, but I usually just get the same thing every time. I go for 1 scoop of cookies and cream and 1 scoop of rainbow sherbet.
Those are classics for sure. You can't go wrong with them.
What do you like?
I like to mix it up and get something different every time. I think I'll go for the salted caramel.